How to replace a lost state ID. Replacing a lost state ID is generally a straightforward process, but the specific steps depend on which state issued your ID. Here is a general guide to getting your replacement. 1. Choose your method. Most states offer 3 primary ways to replace a lost identification card. The fastest and most convenient option is often online, which many states allow if your address remains the same and your ID is still valid. If you are currently away from your home state, such as for military service or school, you may be able to request a replacement by mail. However, you will likely need to visit a DMV office in person if you need to update your photo, change your name, or if you wish to upgrade to a real ID. 2. Gather required information. To process the request, you will typically need to provide your full legal name, date of birth, and your social security number. When applying in person, it is important to bring alternative documents to verify your identity, such as a birth certificate or a valid passport. If you have moved since your last ID was issued, you should also be prepared to provide proof of residency, which can usually be confirmed with a bank statement or a utility bill. 3. Estimated costs. The fees for a replacement ID vary significantly depending on the state of issuance. For instance, a replacement in Virginia typically costs around $10, while Arizona charges approximately $12. Other states may have higher fees, such as New York at $17.50 or Connecticut at $30. You should check your specific state's fee schedule to ensure you have the correct amount ready for payment. 4. Next steps. Your first step should be to visit the official DMV or BMV website for your state to access their specific replacement portal. If you believe your identification was stolen, you might consider filing a police report, as some states will waive the replacement fee with this documentation. Once the application is submitted, many states allow you to print a temporary paper ID to use while you wait the typical 2 to 4 weeks for your permanent card to arrive in the mail. Pro tip: if you're also missing your Social Security card, you should prioritize replacing that as well via the Social Security Administration website, as it's often used as backup proof of identity for the DMV. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.